All right, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, we are going to learn how to do our junior great book e-workbook for the story Beauty and the Beast. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so does everybody, I want you to go into your Google Drive,
Okay.
all right, and open up the document that I created for you, okay? Junior great books, and then the shared is Beauty and the Beast, and oh good, you are working ahead. So we have the original. I made the make a copy workbook, and I made sure and I did the settings so y'all couldn't play with it. Okay, so the way I did it, just so you know, is I did share, and this is what I want you to do. Let's all do this so nobody can play with our documents. Everybody go to share and click on this. Anyone can comment. Okay? You guys pick comment. That way I can make comments and we can comment on each other's. Right? So let's go and, so what you're going to do is to make a copy of it. Everybody's going to click on File, Make a Copy. And then what I want you to do is to delete the part that says the Make a Copy part and put your first name in. Okay? You could share it with the same people and copy the comments, but we're not going to do that. Okay, so then you're going to click on OK, and then you will see in our Google Drive, which you all put your shared copies in the Google Drive. I can see that you all did a great job, so thank you. Now, make sure the directions, Gavin did a perfect job. Look, I want it to look exactly the same here and his name, because now for this one, Brian, if you search Beauty and the Beast, it won't come up in the search. You see what I'm saying? So you could right click on it and rename. Okay. Wait. How to get on there? Yeah, and you don't have to respell it. All you have to do is make a copy and then just delete the make a copy. Okay. So Andy, go ahead and just change the spelling in there. Okay. All right. Cool. So now let's go in and we're going to start the instructions. Says answer all the questions on each slide and be sure to edit and to use the RACI rubric. Here is what the form looks like. And this is how you're going to peer evaluate too. So it will pre-fill out your email, and then you're going to paste your paragraph that you just wrote. So can everybody who wrote their paragraph yesterday, you could go ahead and do that at some point. And you can paste your paragraph here, and then the author's first and last name, that today is you. Okay, and then the grader would be you, right? Because you're doing a self-evaluation. So when you choose to read somebody else's, you're going to put author's their name, right? Title of the paragraph, right, would be the one you just wrote. And then don't forget, here is what restate means. Okay, and here's the rubric on the grading. Answer, cite, and then explain, and then edit. Okay, and then in the score, you're just going to select the score that you earned as you went through and clicked the little buttons here. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
Isn't this a nice enhancement?
Yeah, I like it.
So you don't have to do math and you don't have to worry about putting the numbers in right. Isn't that perfect? And it's easier for me to sort. So let's go into the slideshow. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. Uh-oh. It's making the opposite. That's good, right?
Yeah.
So the junior great book is going to be, this is the first thing that you're going to want to do, is the text opener. And this is the paragraph. You haven't written this one yet, have you? No. Okay. So what you're going to do you remember when before we even read the story, I read you this poem?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to read the poem and then you're going to write a racy paragraph, right? About what the poem tells us about beauty. Okay, so you're going to want to write a racy paragraph here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click in the text box. So we did this T-chart, right? And we listed the ways that she was wise and the way she was unwise, and you listed the text evidence. So you need to use what you used in your notes, and then you're going to write your paragraph. Oops. Sorry. And then you're going to write your paragraph here using your notes. So use Racy. You only have to use one piece of text evidence, okay? For each, wise and unwise. Got it? Thumbs up. Okay. All right, so what you're going to do next is you are going to look at the next slide. So before she can be happy, Beauty must understand her dreams. So dreams are images that pass through the binder in sleep. See what happens when you voice type, Al? Through the, what'd I say? Where do images happen when you sleep? In your binder? Brain, your mind. Binder, mind during, binder. I get it. Mind during, binder. I get where this is going now. All right, cool. So you're going to answer the dreams, or it could be goals, wishes, or hopes, something very much longed for. Okay, so knowing what dreams means is important to answer the question. So what goals or wishes does Beauty have? So you're going to answer, you're going to restate, answer the question, cite evidence, elaborate, and edit for all three. So what goals or wishes does Beauty have? So you have to have text evidence. How does Beauty's first dream keep her from reaching her goals? And how does Beauty's first dream help her reach her goals? So you have 3 questions to answer here. Okay? Next, we have another interpretive question. Why is Beauty's last dream about Beast and not about the handsome prince? So that is a fun one. And that's going to be your opinion, isn't it? So you're going to be able to find text evidence to support your opinion. So I'm so excited to read this one, okay? Because you're all going to have a really interesting, unique answer. I hope. It's hard for Beauty to recognize that the Beast is the handsome prince of her dreams. Write a story in which you imagine that you have been changed into another creature. Oh my gosh. You get to write a story about you've been changed into another creature. Everybody knows what I would be changed into, right? What creature I would change into? Raise your hand if you think Princess Peach. Ooh, a guinea pig, not even close. My spirit animal, which is what?
A lion.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay. Sorry. Oh. Okay, and then so when I was a whatever, I would say nobody else is allowed to use that, by the way. It's taken. When I was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, right? Why was I changed into the creature? Well, obviously, I needed to be a little stronger, right? Why else would you change into a Tyrannosaurus Rex? Anyway, so you're going to make up a story. How do others react to you? So you're going to have a whole inventive story that you come up with, but you're going to just answer the questions to create your story. So it's not an actual story. You're just answering these questions. Does that make sense? And then if maybe you take it to the next level on your own, you could actually write the story. Possibly, if that's interesting to you. Then we have a couple more questions to answer. What kinds of problems do you have when you try to get someone you know to recognize you? So imagine I am a Tyrannosaurus Rex and I show up to recess duty. Right? See? Yeah. I'm going to show up to recess duty as a Tyrannosaurus Rex. But like Beast, Prince, so right now I'm like normal teacher lady. And then tomorrow I have my lanyard on and my jacket, my vest, and I'm a Tyrannosaurus Rex. How do I get you guys to understand who I am? So that's what I'm going to write about. How are you changed back into your real self? So obviously true love for me. It's the only way I could go back into, oh no, students who give all their effort. That's my story. I'm a Tyrannosaurus Rex until my students give me 110% effort. Then I go back into being Miss Coleman. Okay. It might be hard. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to personal essay. All right? Beauty and her prince find happiness together because they appreciate each other's inner beauty. I think about someone you love. I got to fix that too. Okay, think about someone you love and describe how this person shows his or her inner beauty. Oh my goodness, I am so pumped up to read these personal essays. So you're gonna put a person and why they are important to you, and just use Racy. So you're going to write about what is beautiful about the way this person acts or talks, and what is beautiful about the way this person treats you and other people, because that is truly what makes some of these beautiful, right? It's not about their face. What is beautiful about the way this person treats you and other people, and that is it. All right? So that is the entire slideshow e-workbook for Beauty and the Beast, and I cannot wait to read what you write. And the best part is this is going to, we're going to have the example be the best slideshow in my whole class, and they're going to sit next to me, and we're going to go over it, and I'm going to show everybody how it's graded and the rubrics that we use. Thank you.